This right here is another little video on the T3i. The cat decided she wanted to come back out and see if she can't torment, I guess, the new cat a little more. So, and as you can tell, the dog there, he's really not giving a damn what's going on. So anyway, I want to apologize for this being a little shaky. Handheld here, trying to play a little online poker and also film this with my left hand, which I'm usually not doing. So I'm going to do my best and see if I can't get this at least somewhat decent here. If she come out from hiding, it sure would be nice, but we'll see what happens here. And there's the little dog getting a little excited about the cat coming out and seeing what's going on with the new cat, and he gets a little worked up kind of thing. So anyway, he's kind of trying to hide from me now, I guess. And as you can tell here, really don't care there's another cat in the house, so he gets over things pretty quickly.